Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Hunters Green, which is in New Tampa. We're gonna be doing a driveway for a new customer. I got the one with me. We got 3 jobs today. The next job is pretty big. We got a house wash, pool cage, pool deck, driveway, and also a patio. And then also at the end of the day, we got another job, which is a fence cleaning. We're starting here with this driveway here. The one is starting on it with the mini mondo and the 12 GPM pressure washer. We didn't pre-treat. We just wet the concrete down. It helps also when you wet the concrete before you start, instead of using your pre-treatment, which you can use the pre-treat if you want. Also for taking pictures, if you wet the concrete down, it brings out the dark color and it brings out the algae, so you can get a better before and after picture. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. Let's go check the job out. All right, so this is the job here. Like I said, we just wet it down with some water. You can see it's drying up over here so far. See how dark it looks? So when it looks like this, it's better to take your picture now, and then you know, after it's gonna really pop in your before and afters. I don't wait for concrete to dry to take my after pictures. You know, I got work to do. I can just stay here and wait for it to dry. And I'm not gonna drive back up here 30 minutes just to take a picture. But he's using the 31-inch mini mondo surface cleaner with the 12 GPM pressure washer. It shouldn't take that long. He just started maybe about, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes ago. So we shouldn't be here too long. We will post treat if needed, which, you know, we probably will, because this is so bad. You can see the difference already. Alright, so while the one is rinsing, I'm gonna just put this post treatment on here. Get everything nice and lined up. You know, there's some faint lines I see, which we don't want that to be left over, you know. And you don't have to rinse this. Like I said before, you don't have to rinse it. It'll take away any kind of stain that's left over on the pavers and also the concrete. Alright, y'all, we all finished here, wrapped up, post-treated everything. Came out great. Let's check it out. So this is the driveway here. Get over here in some shade for you guys. We got a lot of lines over here. They're all post-treated. She's gonna dry up and look nice and bright. Show you guys the walkway. Walkway was pretty bad. Had a lot of weeds and stuff too. I gotta put that chair back. Of course, we rinse off the front of the property. We got the sidewalks clean on both sides, and also the curbing on both sides. All right, we're gonna collect the check and I'll head to the next job. We'll see y'all when we get there. Okay, we at the second job right now. We're in Carrollwood. We're here for a big project. Like I said, we're doing the pool cage, pool deck, house wash, driveway, sidewalks, front porch, and they have an outside patio. The customer didn't move none of their stuff. Just sent them a message that, you know, either I can come back another day, or I probably won't do it because it's so much. I don't mind moving small stuff, but when it's gonna be taking extra 30 minutes, 20 minutes to be cleaning up stuff and moving rocks and leaves and stuff like that, acorns everywhere, I have to think about my next project I have lined up. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So this is the job here. Sidewalks and stuff is pretty bad. The driveway's dirty, a lot of acorns. This house is going on the market. This was a referral from my realtor. So the people that live here is selling the house, and I want to get it nice and clean. This is the front porch here. Front porch is painted, so we're gonna have to be careful. I don't know if we're gonna surface clean it. We might just hit it with a 6% mix and use the wand to rinse it off. The exterior of the gutter is pretty dirty. You guys can see all the algae build up on there. Soffits are very dirty. Show you guys the side. Got a lot of concrete. Got concrete right here. You can see all that tanning stains and algae. Bunch of leaves. Acorns everywhere. The house got some algae on the wall. You can see a lot of algae here on the windows as well. This is all the stuff they have back here. Umbrellas. They got a trampoline right here with a bunch of stuff on it. Rugs. Yeah. I am not moving all that. Even in here, they have a ton of stuff. So we're gonna be doing the pool cage and pool deck here. So we got some build up leaves underneath these gutters. Gotta get those out. A lot of cobwebs. It's hard to see on camera. But the pool deck needs some love. I'm pretty sure the water settles pretty bad over here. You can see the sediment all across here. So the drainage is horrible probably here. They didn't bother moving nothing at all. Gotta be careful. I see a plug right here. We wanna make sure that we don't want no fire. Looks like it comes out right here. Get that out the way for now. Make sure I remember to plug it back in. But yeah, so this is the job. This is what we're doing. The house is pretty small, 2,000 square feet house. The one is gonna do the, yeah, a lot of screens are messed up too from the hurricane. I see a bunch of them. There's one missing right here. I mean, they're pretty much all loose. We don't want to make it any worse than what it is right now. There's some lichen spots, which should be okay. If we need to treat it with a pump up, we'll do that. I don't think we need a 12 volt to put a hot mix on here. We can just do it with the pump up. Yeah, we got some more right here too. You gotta be careful with the screens because, like I said, they're pretty loose, so therefore we don't want no more screens blowing out under our watch. So we're gonna get started. The one is gonna do the pool cage and pool deck back here, and also this back wall. I'm gonna wash the house, and I'm gonna start on the driveway afterwards. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna get started on the project here. I finally installed a loader block where I can put my downstream for the 12, so now I can downstream with the 12 and the 8 at the same time. so we don't have to wait for the one to get done. I can just go ahead and start right away. So let me show you guys what it looks like now. So this is the unloaded block for the 12. Now just put the downstream bypass right onto it. This is the one with the Flow Pro for the 8. That's the one is using. He has the remote, I have the manual one. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the house. I'll do the front, the runner do the back, and I gotta do the side over there too as well. I just talked to the customer. She said she's opting out to cleaning the patio out here because she didn't get to move that stuff. So here's what it is for me. I was not gonna move it. We're using 2 cameras today. So the one is back there with my other camera. So you guys will get 2 views today. So I'll be switching back and forth from mine to his, something new. This area here, it's kind of thick, so I'm going ahead and probably hit it with a little stronger mix. I got a pump up spray. I'm gonna spray that with some stronger mix and it should go away. That paint is pretty bad behind there, so we gotta be mindful of that as well. Alright, so I just got done washing this wall and rinsed off the front. You guys can see all that stuff is gone that was at the bottom. She's looking pretty good. Let's go check out the front. Exterior gutters here. Garage door nice and clean. Went ahead and rinsed the front porch for him. You know, that was not included. I rinsed off these little white chairs as well. Just a little something extra. All right, we're gonna embark on this back area here. The one has already done the screens. Like I said, they got a lot of flopping screens. We don't want to dislodge them. We're hitting the lichen with a straight mix. So that's why you see over here it's turning white. See how it's turning white like this? That means it's dying and it's easier to come off. The downstream mix is not strong enough, so you know, we'll be here all day trying to spray that off. He's already washed this side. We got, you know, with leaves and stuff I showed you guys, we still got to blow all that stuff off. I think we're gonna just use the gun to rinse the deck off. This thing is filthy. I brought my 12 GPM line back here, so we're gonna tackle it together, get it done faster, because I'm done with the front and they don't want the driveway and the concrete done anyway, so don't want to just stand around. I hate standing around. All right, we're all finished here. Let's check out the patio. It's clean. The screens are nice and clean as well. Always do your walk around after you're done, because you don't want to leave doors open that were closed when you got here. This patio was pretty bad. You can see now she is good. The water settled so bad over there in that corner. We had to use both pressure washers to get that stuff off. But she's looking good. Ready for the market. Let's check out the front. She said her husband is gonna do the outside patio and the concrete. I think they said they're gonna try to move everything this weekend and get that done. Up here is good to go. And then the front porch. All right, we got one more to do, which is a vinyl fence. So we see y'all when we get there. All right, we at the final job, third job for the day. Right now we're in Town and Country. We're here for a fence cleaning. Let's check it out. So we can see here, it's just one run of fence that runs that way. This section here is new, so we're not gonna touch it, but you can see we got green growing here, and over here is super bad. We're gonna spray it with the mix we had in the 12-volt system, because we had to flush it out anyway, so I'm glad I kept it. But you can see here, this fence is pretty dirty. That mix is gonna work really fast, so we're gonna spray it on and give it a few minutes to dwell, and then rinse it off with the pressure washer. the mix is gonna work fast, like I said. This is a strong mix. Usually you can just downstream the fences. Although this one's kind of bad, you probably would need a stronger mix anyway. So like maybe like a 3% mix would do. But I already had this mix in my hose, so I went ahead and used it. We're gonna flush out the line now. Protect our 12 volt. I've been using this one for a long time, man. So I want to keep it working as much as possible. Look at this fence already cleaning up. I just sprayed that area right there. We haven't rinsed it yet, and it's looking pretty good. And these little areas that look a little green still. Alright, nice time to rinse this puppy up. We're almost done with the fence. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 more panels and we'll be finished. It was pretty quick, man. We were here for about like 15 minutes. So, great job. See, this fence here looks totally new. We got a green tint to it. We still gotta come through and rinse all that off. Over on this side? All right. Check out the rest of it that he's already done. There she goes. Looking good. Looking good, good, good. We're wrapping up here, guys. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. And if you haven't yet, like I said, subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you got questions, just drop them in the comment section. I answer all my questions and all my comments. All right, y'all. Well, that's it. See y'all in the next video. Enjoy it. Have a good one. Peace.